So label is very important. So that's what we have set it up, customer label onto the token. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the travel. Okay. We are going to here. We're going to go click on the travel. In the travel, okay, we are going to do the property changes now here. So what you need to do is in the travel, you need to put it here as token.customer, which we already had been created from the top, right? So it will also be visible here. So customer, and here you need to put in from the dropper as waiting line. Okay, you have got that into here now. So now if you look at we have waiting line, destination, the customer. So what we have done is we created a person, asked him to travel to the waiting line. Now what we're going to do in the move customers, where the customers move customers into line. Okay, move customers into the waiting line basically. What we're going to do is we are supposed to be putting in the details out here now. So for the object, not item, what we're going to do is customer, right? We are going to ask the customer as object to move into the waiting line. Okay, move into the waiting line. Now what we have done is we have done all this stuffs. Acquire, what we're going to do is we're going to acquire a service desk. We have a service desk here, and the label we are going to assign it as desk. Okay, no spaces here. Service desk. So here it is, service desk. Okay, let us make this service desk. Okay, you have this token, and we're going to use a maximum waiting time of 200. Okay, and we're going to have this set it up. So what is going to happen now here is service desk label will basically store a reference to the specific service desk that has been acquired through the activity, and this label will tell customer and the desk worker which desk they need to travel. Okay, so let us save the model now and let us look into these another stuffs. So what we're going to do now we need to have edit unhappy customer logic, right? So in the unhappy customer logic in the move, what we're going to do is we're going to put it here as customer. Okay, and the destination we're going to put it as model. Okay, we have and preserving the global preferences. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the travel, and in the travel we're going to put it again customer is going to travel to the unhappy customers, right? We'll select it from the sampler. It's going to be unhappy customers, right? And then in the destroy object, what we're going to do is we are again going to what I can say. Here we have destroy objects, then we have travel objects, and then we are going to put in here the destroy objects, right? And here I'm going to put it as customer. Okay, and destroy object we are going to point the, so we have changed the details. Okay, here, and the destroy object stuff is done, right? Activity in the quick properties, we have put the details out in here now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to edit the customer service logic. Okay, so let us go to the customer service logic. So here the customer service logic, you're going to have in the customers get service, in the acquire, okay, get desk worker. What we are going to do is we are going to refer the desk worker, and here we are going to rename this as desk worker. Okay, rename this as desk worker. Needs to be spelling specific, So it would be good for us to understand. So desk worker. Then what we're going to do is, now we're going to go to the move speaker, customer. Here we are putting as customer. Okay. So customer we have, again, we are going to be preserve global destinations and model. In the model we're going to create this. Okay. Move the customer to the service desk in the model. Then we have a split here. In the split we're going to do nothing but we are going to have this, what I can say, uncheck this, and we are going to have this as child tokens. We're going to have the child tokens, okay, from this into as, and the label access on parent only. So we're going to split the tokens down into two. Then the travel is desk worker to the service desk, right? So in the worker helps customer, we're going to change the details now here. We're going to make this as desk worker. We already have it created. Then we have destination as service desk. We have service desk here. Okay. Now travel customer to the service desk. We have this, and here we're going to change it to customer. Okay. These are nothing but the labels. You already had this detailed video on process flow. You can watch that playlist also. And even if you have any other queries, you can let me know in the comment section. And then in the destination, we are going to put it as service desk. So the name itself will tell you that the customer to the service desk we are moving. So this is the customer, this is the service desk. The area we have specified. Similarly, it works in here. Now when we click on the delay, okay, we need to have a delay time here. Okay. So worker helps you out in here. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, now travel desk worker back to the room. In here, what we're going to do is, we're going to again make this as the desk worker. Okay. And we're going to ask it to move back in the back room, which we created, right? So that's the job. Now when we come in the customer get service, okay, customer get service. Okay. In the customer get service ship. In the release thing, what we are going to do? We are going to release what we acquired. So the service desk we acquired, last acquired, is what we are going to release. Okay. And what we are going to do now is the delay time. Let us put it as 400 seconds as of, right? So I'm deleting this and 400 seconds, right? Now, what we're going to do, in the release desk operator, we are going to put in the desk operator worker, okay, to be released. And travel to happy customer, what we are going to do, similarly we are going to take it as the customer, right, is what going to travel to the happy customers. Just like we did it here, right? Customer to unhappy customer, you are traveling it, the customers to happy customers, right? And then when we come to the destroy object here, similarly we are going to put it here as customer. Okay, so the token of that customer is what we are going to delete that. Okay, so this is almost our model ready. I've saved this. Now what we need to do is we need to run the model and analyze the situations. So let us run the model and analyze the situation. Okay, I'm resetting this, and here goes the run.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is, discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.